Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to download or how to install Avatar Frontiers of Pandora. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So if you want to download and install the PC or the game for your PC, what you need to do first. So I'm going to show you two different ways on how you can install the said game. So the first one is how you can download and install the Avatar Frontiers of Pandora on your PC using the Ubisoft Tech or Connect. So first just open the Ubisoft Connect and navigate to the Games tab and simply right click onto the Avatar Frontiers of Pandora and simply click the install option, and if not available just check again within the 48 hours of the release date. And by simply following the steps right here, you should be able to download the Frontiers of Pandora on your PC using the Ubisoft Connect. But if you want to download the games using the Epic Games Launcher, just follow the steps right here. So first, just open the Epic Games Launcher and then go to the Library tab and click on to the Avatar Frontiers of Pandora to initiate the download. So if the install option is not present, just check again within the 48 hours of the release date. And if the install button or the buy now button is available, just simply click on it and just follow the prompts that you need to do for you to be able to successfully download the game on your PC. And so that's it for this video. That's how you can install or download the Frontiers of Pandora and Avatar on your PC. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.